everybody? It's your boy JREAMERS. Ooh, J-Hope more official MVs. The single. I know the album was coming out later. I saw the teaser trailer. There's a key, but it didn't really say much yet. I was just streaming on Twitch playing the scary game The Quarry, I think it's called, with Shannon, and it's starting to pop off a little bit, but we're gonna be streaming after this video is uploaded, so probably around like in 2 hours or something like that. But if you do catch me on Twitch, say hi, stop by if you're a night owl like me. Hey, yo boy did not expect BTS Bangtan TV to actually post this is my BTS story. I did not actually expect it, so I was like, ah. And of course I see some of my few friends here like Roseanne, K-pop Dad was on there, so shout out to K-pop Dad, by the way. Guy's awesome. Thank you so much for including me. Just thank you, appreciate you. You would think I'm a grown-ass man, but I still fanboy still to this day. But back on topic, J-Hope more official MV. We're going to the solos, y'all. We're going to the solos. It's gonna be quite interesting. Chapter 2 of BTS. I'm not sure what to expect. I don't know if it's gonna be some like rapping, maybe a little bit mix of both, sing rap. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So let's get into this. Let's get it, let's go. Play my intro. I feel like I'm a little dehydrated, bruh. I feel a little dehydrated. Alright. Thirst quenched. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. This shit 4K too? Oh. What? Okay. Okay. Oh, a pack? What? Ooh. Soak up the music. What you gonna say? Gotta go. Ooh, he look good. He's in like a jumpsuit, kind of. Oh, wait, what just happened? He growling in my ear. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, look at the makeup. I did not. What? Yo. I want more. Ooh. Oh, what is this? What? Like that accent kind of reminds me of Ghost Rider in a way too. But it's a crazy ass shot. More! Ooh, okay, are we going to, ooh, everything froze. That growl. Oh, it's going back to rock, right? Like, it's gonna rock. Let's go, I'm gonna rock with you. Oh my god, the prosthetic in their makeup is kind of crazy. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Dancing to the baby flow. Huh. Huh. Oh, his eyeshadow too. Wait. He's just watching that. It's all happening like that. Is that like his madness? What? Hold up. Now I want more. Yo, he named this more because, you know, we want more of this ish, bro. Like, I need to hear the album. Is that it, really? No way. No way. First of all, I did not expect that, actually. Wait, let me see the wait. I want to see the teaser. Because I saw the teaser. I did not... Let me hear this. Okay, I did hear that. I really thought I was gonna like a boom bap kind of hip hop ish. I was like, ooh. He did yell too, so I guess it was like expected to be in a rock kind of like rap rock kind of ish. Like, hold up. First of all, this is an apartment complex. What is this? He has the key to unlock for more. That he can unlock more. I like the beat. It's pretty simple, but it kind of reminds me of like almost Cypress Hilly, Cypress Hill. Not, I don't know why I say hilly. Go geek. Suck up the music. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Dancing to the baby flow.
Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, there's like different versions of him inside. Ah, it's two different sides to him, like a jester. I mean, his album is called Jack in the Box, right? My highlights, my art of learning, endless studying. I crash and fall to make art, to make my art. So make it move. So he's in the office, just effing ish up, going against like the grain, like not doing what everybody else is doing, kind of thing. I guess. That's a crazy shot. I kind of like that. It's the growling that got me, though, to be honest. Look at that shot, and then look at the what did it say? Oh, I was trying to read the drum. He has two mics too. One on the speaker. This is gonna be kind of crazy live, I'm not gonna lie. I just realized this. Oh my god. I wish I was. You gonna cause a mosh pit? No, well. A safe one, hopefully. I don't want people getting hurt, but. It's like two different people. He also has like it's like studying the mind, but it also looks like a jester hat as well. Trophies. No. Exhale. Oof. Got a little chills. Doing it all. That's a fire shot. Let me see that again. Like all the glass like breaking kind of, or just debris. Then to the drop, all falling. Maybe just saying like the people with the prosthetics, I don't know, it's like kind of like out of this world. Unless they're already famous for doing that, I'm not sure. You guys could always explain to me or correct me in the comments down below, please. And be sure to check out the music video too. If you haven't watched the music video yet, you better link in the description. Say more. Bro, I That's why he started off, I'm Thursday, because I was like, talking about, girl, literally had like a That's So Raven moment, real talk. Oh, he's wearing just the clown shoes, right? Oh, he is. Oh, we're gonna see a different side to J-Hope? Hobie? And he's just all watching this in the package. There is a TV behind him too. Maybe he's gonna get a different package each time, showing a different genre. Interesting. Guys, put in the comments down below what you guys think of J-Hope's More. And I'm waiting for this album, bro. I'm waiting. I need my... Listen, I already know the album's gonna slap. Jack in a Box, though. That's what it's called, right? I mean, obviously there's a Jester. There's a different side, like there's two of them or something like that. Or even a multiverse too. I don't know. Someone please do correct me in the comments if you can. But in the end, I just want more. And I think he knows that. And then now we're gonna be waiting, literally salivating, thirsting for this ish. Alright, y'all, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Thank you guys for always supporting me throughout the years, bro. I still have people come to my Twitch lives like, yo, I've watched you on YouTube for like since middle school. And I'm like, dang, how old are you? They're like 20 in college. I'm like, oh, okay. Basically, I'm just old. But yeah, we're gonna be I'm gonna be back on Twitch live actually coming up in like a couple hours, and be sure to join if you want. We're gonna be playing a scary game called The Quarry. To all my night owls, to those who are already woke up, please join. It'll be nice. I'll be playing with my roommate and friend Shannon. We might have other guests there too, maybe, and I'm always down for like, you know, a little guest appearance, you know what I'm saying? I need to process this though. Alright, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right?